Where was you when we were thugging on the block? Yeah, these niggas just be talking, but I know they cap a lot. We don't fuck with 12, we forever screaming.
Oh, now it's working. Now YouTube is working. Nice. Okay, we got YouTube to work. Kick is working. And X is working, but I can't see viewers in X. Maybe we don't have any viewers on X. But at least now we can post. Now we can post in Telegram. Okay, that's great. That's great. Copy video address. That's great. Okay, we're live. Let's test. Let's test. Waiting for a handout, but I was in the cut, just waiting to take your man's out. Step up in the club and I'm the only one that stand out. Slap a pussy in his mouth just to see what he talking about. No chat message. Okay, so let's tell. But I know we hit him and we ain't even put the beams out. Man, I ain't gonna lie, man. Fuck all y'all fake ass niggas, man. Fix the YouTube. Now YouTube is live. Fix the chat messages so that they show up in the live stream layout. So I'm actually gonna put the chat over here as well. I have all the chats in another window because it only seems to work for Kick inside of the live stream. Liking myself. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Because I do. I love myself. Always like your own content. Especially if you like it. If you like what you write and post. You like your own content. Okay. Let's actually, I want to make this a little bit more fun. Let's take it to Claude. And we can say, we can do Sonnet. It's quite good for these things. Make this stream announcement a little bit more fun, but keep it ultra short and direct. Okay, why not? Kick, YouTube, let's try all the links so we know they're working. Yep, YouTube works. X, let's see if it works. Yeah, it says I'm live, so that's cool. Okay. And Kick, of course, is working because I can see a couple of you are in there. Actually, my website has updated. Okay, now it's AI working, so that's why things are just popping up by themselves. We're setting up the views on YouTube so that they actually work. I was doing this the other day, but it seems like things have reset for some kind of reason. Okay, I gotta open the chat this way. So let me put it over there.
Okay, so now the chat should work for YouTube. And the new website is stroem.pro. And we can change the image. Let's do this image for now. And we can change it later. Actually, let's start with branding the stream. And if you guys have ideas on what we can do to make live streams better and to make BUBBAS better, we can do your ideas. Actually, let's create a new card here. BUBBAS, and we can add an image for BUBBAS.
Feel like that chopper knock a nigga out his pants. He won't smoke, we tryna run us up a band. If you want smoke, little nigga, then show us. We don't go green light, it ain't no fin us. Feel like that chopper knock a nigga out his pants. He won't smoke, we tryna run us up a band.
BUBBAS coin, logo.
We don't go green light, it ain't no fin us.
Let's go with the BUBBAS logo.
He won't smoke, we tryna run us up a band. If you want
And
smoke, little nigga, then
link
show
to
us. We
the
don't go
site.
green light, it ain't no fin us. Feel like that chopper knock a nigga out his pants. He won't smoke, we tryna run us up a band. If you want smoke, little nigga, then show us. We don't go green light, it ain't no fin us. We don't go green light, it ain't no fin us.
BUBBAS is my project. BUBBAS is my project. Oh, I can hear myself. Where am I sounding? Where am I? Okay. I think it's kicked. So let me close the sound. Okay, so BUBBAS is my project. Been building in silence for 4 years. Now it's time to come out from the shadows and start building this thing with the community. Create. And since this is my baby, it deserves to be on top. So stroem.pro is mostly for updates. BUBBAS is the platform, and links down here. I think this should be. I haven't been live streaming for years, guys. You see, I didn't even have my Telegram channel updated. So, but yeah, we made a little stream announcement here. So let's post that first. BUBBAS is building live now. Watch the grind. Use your brain to help us build. I guess that's fine. Boom, big text. That's fine for now, I think. Right, it's fine.
Hey man, you already know how it is.
Okay, let it just sit and see what happens. I do have a Discord channel. Let's update Kick as well. New link, Telegram, StoneX is fine. Let's see if this works.
Do you think I'm better than you?
Yeah, we still have a Discord, active Discord channel, so we should probably start using that one as well. Wow, I haven't been in here for years. I don't even remember where to post, but I guess in here. Live alerts. Does this work? No. Oh, okay. It's actually updating. Or is it? No. No. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It did. 6 p.m. That's now. That's the day. Okay, nice. It's actually updating. And what is this? Very strong airdrops. I don't think we need it. This isn't topical anymore. So we're gonna rebuild everything from scratch. We're gonna rebuild the entire live stream. We're gonna rebuild. We're not gonna rebuild BUBBAS. We're just gonna upgrade it. But yeah. So let's delete this one. And we can actually copy this message because we have Telegram, we have Discord, we have active community, or actually we have inactive community members. So we're just basically gonna activate everything again. Let's post it in the elite group. And why is this popping up? I think I have some weird old settings in here. We need mods. We need mods. We need a lot of stuff. I mean, there's a lot of work to do. But it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be fun. I'm actually pretty excited about this. So daytime, I'm working with other stuff, and kind of around this time, evenings, I'm gonna build BUBBAS. And let's post this. C wallet Discord. Okay, we gotta kick C wallet, I think, because that annoying message is showing up all the time. How do I even do that? How do I even do that? I'm not a community guy. I mean, I'm a community guy, but I'm not a community manager. Managing communities with all these links and stuff. Let's actually see if okay, fixed and verified social stream is attached. Okay. Okay, so YouTube is working. We can see the viewers over there now. Oh, let's see 4x. Let's make sure the X views is actually. Let's make sure the X views and chat. Let's make sure both the chat for X and YouTube okay, let's make sure both the chat for X and YouTube works. The views works for both Kick and YouTube, but for X, I'm not sure yet. Let's find out. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if anything is happening over here. If I click myself, I should be able to see at least one viewer on the stream. Actually, I should fix the YouTube as well. Because we do have live. We are live on YouTube, so we should fix the description for the live stream as well. Okay, let's go to YouTube again. And let's go to YouTube Studio. It's gonna be a hell of a journey. It's gonna be a journey, guys. So many things we are actually doing right now. So many things we have to work on to make this thing a mothership, a castle, you know, whatever. Okay, main hub. Okay, stroem.pro. Tittycoin is actually, we're not working on that one right now. We will later, but not for now. The focus is BUBBAS. Actually, I'm gonna remove this one. Follow. X. Let me put all the links there. Let me put all the links there. Okay, so the viewers are still not working for X, but they should. They should.
I'm alone. Do you think I'm better than you? No, I'm just icy. Stands 10 toes and paint the
Okay, let's copy this one. Dang, I have so many things open. Which one is it? It is gotta be, where is YouTube? Here it is. Okay. Telegram channel is fine, I guess. Discord, you gotta put the link in there as well. So now it's kind of just structuring everything to make sure everything is set up properly when we do the next live stream. But yeah, you guys will follow the journey, and eventually this thing will start rocking very soon. Okay, let's stay focused. Discord. Okay, how do I? Where is the channel? Where is the channel? I guess it's here. Invite to server. Invite link. Discord. Okay, there's the invite link. TikTok. I'm actually not on TikTok right now. Remove that. Okay, so if I publish this, let me see how it looks. If I guess if I click here, I should be able to see what's going on. Okay, all links is there. This one is wrong. Twitch, we're not on Twitch. Remove that. We're on X. Live streams is on X as well. So let's put it here. And here, okay, I see. We got some old links over here. Very old links. Telegram, it's correct. Twitter is correct. This one is like this, and rename it Hub. Twitter, Telegram, Discord. Anything else? Did I miss anything? Kick. Description. Okay, I have a lot of things in description. Okay, I see. Description shouldn't be like this. All the links should just be here. Description should be, links should be in the description for the lives. Okay. Kick web address. Where is it? Update. Publish. Okay, now it's updated. Let's put a dope description in here. I think all the links we need is here now. Let me just double check that Kick is linking to YouTube. Yeah, it does. So as the community grows, as we start building real things for BUBBAS, we'll actually post the highlights on YouTube. So YouTube is mainly going to be for content. Kick is going to be the main live streaming platform, and X is kind of the social engine that helps us reach new people that are interested in building things. But yeah, I didn't see any viewers on X actually. New people. I didn't see any views on X, so I think actually it's not working. So let's go to ChatGPT. YouTube chat attached and active. X chat active and successfully reloaded. A live chat page and message input are loaded. Kick viewers confirmed working. YouTube viewers confirmed working. Yes. X viewers not confirmed. Social stream supports X viewer polling, but X currently exposes no viewer figure on the capture page. The displayed 0 is therefore a fallback, not a verified count. Yeah. The X views are actually not showing even when I watch myself. Let's try to make it work. Or let's not even try it. Let's just make it work. Let's see if ChatGPT Soul can make it work. But I guess we're coming somewhere. We're getting somewhere. We're actually getting somewhere. Okay. That's fine. Now I want to ask Codex. Firewall has blocked you from public networks. Let's just allow everything for Codex. AI, I trust you completely. Hunter, like your post. Okay, great. Actually, we can say, like, we have a private group for BUBBAS. We can actually post the channels in here. We can go to, let's go here. Hey guys, I'm starting to build. I'm just getting started building BUBBAS in public. Just letting you know. If any questions pop up, if anything is on your mind, don't hesitate to jump into the chat and ask questions. I know it was a while since we made any updates, but we're on the way now. Here's the links to our to the live. There we go. A little message for you guys. And actually we can forward this message. Let's forward exact same message to BUBBAS Coin community. Okay. So there we go. There we go. But yeah, so mainly I wanna be building the live stream so that everything is on point, and meanwhile, of course, we'll also keep on charging up BUBBAS with new features, games, ideas, whatever it is. And the next update for BUBBAS, we will have the idea box opened, which means that anyone can leave ideas on how we can improve BUBBAS. And also, since we're updating the infrastructure to enable more simultaneous players, and that's very complicated, that's also an opportunity for us to start getting out there and socializing with people that have experience with building things, and that can eventually take us to a person that has solved the exact issue I'm working with now for 2 months, and just do it like that, because the person already did it, he has knowledge, and he can just cheer, oh, I know how to do this thing. Because if you take a look here, this is like months of work just trying to find ways. I know this is in Swedish now and it's not saying much to you guys, but it's basically testing different ways to reach a higher bets per second on the BUBBAS platform globally, and then it changes the code and it tests locally, and then it tests again, changes the code, tests again, etc, etc. But we do have a clear direction. The clear direction is actually, so you can see here, can I see the document? Okay, no I can't. So the document is in, the prompt is actually in here somewhere. Here it is. Treat everything below. Okay, here it is. Yeah. Oh, it's in. Okay, it's in English. Good. So this is basically what HTTP request is actually waiting for. So HTTP is used when sending a bet to the BUBBAS platform, and it's waiting for all of these things to happen before the bet can actually be sent. So it's pretty complicated. I'm just trying to make sense of this because it actually doesn't make sense. Sometimes ChatGPT just give you a lot of abstract explanations to what things are doing, and it's impossible to interpret what it's actually saying because there's so many different explanations in abstract technical ways that it feels like it doesn't even mean anything. So most of the times when I explain to ChatGPT what we actually is, when I ask it what we're actually doing, I ask it to break things down in a simple way. So if I were to take all of this that doesn't make sense to most of you guys, many of the things doesn't even make sense to me, I would say something like that. Okay. I would post this and I would say, actually, I would post the whole thing. And I would say, break this down into extremely, let me zoom in on that, give you guys a picture. Okay. Break this down into extremely simple terms. Don't give me any abstract or advanced technical explanations. Keep it very simple, short and direct. Okay, so boom. And now we can understand how we can build and how we can approach advanced architecture with simple words. So what it's saying now is, let me switch song here first. Let me put some chill beats. Okay. The bet itself is mostly clean. It waits until the real money result is safely saved before replying. Mining, referral, battle, pools, lotto, rewards, etc. happen after the bet. They do not block the player's bet response. 2 extra things still happen before the bet finishes. XP stats update, 1 battle database check. These may be removable later, but do not touch them yet. The 50 BPS stands for bets per second. Test did not show a real growing queue. That's good. We don't want queues to grow. We want things to flush so we can keep the bets coming. So it's really complicated. Like, from what you can understand, when you go to BUBBAS, you go to the website, you click dice, and you place a bet. You just see the bet. You don't see all the things that are happening behind the bet. It's like a machine. Imagine a watch, right? So imagine a watch. You just see the thing that's showing the time. You actually don't see all of the things behind and all the little cogs and all of the things moving around inside of the watch. You just see the time. So it's kind of like BUBBAS. You see the bet, you don't see what's behind. And that's the whole tricky part about building BUBBAS. I know so many people have been texting me saying, oh, when is the new update? When is this? When is that? I wish I could say, because we have been working so long to fix and upgrade and improve the architecture of BUBBAS. We have come very far, but I haven't updated BUBBAS in a long time. But we have still come very far, and that's wait, no way. I gotta change the. I'm seeing here now. Live titty dev AMA. This is completely wrong. Okay, we gotta switch title. The title's gotta say. Where can I crypto trading? I mean, it's completely wrong. Category as well. Stream info. Where did I change this? Here. Edit. Maybe it's in OBS. I think it's in OBS. OBS. Platforms. Yeah. Oh no. Why? What? No. Okay, we're live on all the platforms, but something is messing me up here on Kick. Stream info. Why can't I change this? Where do I change it? Moderation. No. Oh, I always had mods for this back in the days. Now I'm on my own. We need mods again, because we're gonna start doing this every day. And I know many of the followers I have on this channel and on other channels, they haven't seen me. Oh yeah, we have viewers on X. Welcome guys. But yeah, many of the viewers we had have had. I forgot what I was going to say. I forgot what I was saying, guys. But anyways, I had help doing all of these things before, and now we're just restarting everything. So before everything is up and running properly and actually in full action, I have to figure some things out myself. But I guess that's a good thing. And also before, when I was live streaming, I was kind of tired because, you know, I was sick. I didn't feel good. And I was basically just sitting there and clicking a slot machine all day. And that's not what I want to do. It's brain dead live streaming. I don't want to be a brain dead live streamer. I want to be a live streamer that actually uses his brain to create cool stuff. And that's why we're building things with AI, and we're using the best AI tools to just build crazy cool things. But before I talk too much, let me just find a way to change this settings. Gotta be here somewhere. You guys are just watching me. Please help me instead. Don't just watch me, help me. Tell me, where can I change my where can I change my title, my live stream title? Stream, no. Access display. Ah, what am I doing? View your channel. View your channel. This is not right. Creator dashboard. It's over here. I mean, it has to be. Okay. I got it. Building BUBBAS. Just building BUBBAS. I think that's fine. And category is, let's chat. Let's do chat. Just chatting. Because there is no builders category in here. I think Kick should actually create a building category for builders like me. Building platforms, building things. Okay. just chatting. English, yes, that's fine. 18 years. I don't know if you gotta be 18 to watch the builds, but I guess that's fine. Mature audience only. I don't think. Okay, yeah, because I have casino content from time to time. But I won't do any casino live streams on YouTube and X just on Kick, so I gotta have 18 plus there. Okay, okay, that's that. Now we have set up Kick properly. Okay, let me close that. And now we can actually see the live viewers on X as well. That's cool. Okay, let me ask this. Will I be able to see the live viewers in the stream chat after I end this stream and start a new one, so that I don't have to set it all up again? Let's check and make sure. So we're just doing the basic stuff now, before we getting into the heavy building of BUBBAS. Let's see what it says. Can you guys actually just send a message in the chat so that I can see if it works or not? I'm not sure. It's, well, Kick I know is working. YouTube I don't. X I don't. If you guys don't want to chat, it's fine. I can send a message to myself. Yo, okay, it's working. Nice. It's working, bro. But I don't see your emotes, Diogo. I don't see your emote because I think I haven't set it up on Social Stream Ninja. Okay. I see it in this chat though. But images like that isn't showing in. Okay, we can actually ask AI to fix that. Let's see if we can actually fix that. That would have been cool. So let's do it in another chat while this one is working, and we can say lol. Okay, we can say emotes is showing as text code instead of the. Yeah, I use Claude as well, but now I'm using Codex. I got Claude over here, but mainly I use Codex. Soul 5.6 GPT. It's good. It's almost as good as Fable 5, I would say, but Fable 5 is just so insanely expensive to use, bro. I mean, I think I burned like $100 in 10 minutes when I was playing around with it the other week. It's crazy, bro. Emotes is showing. Let's zoom in on that. Emotes is showing as text code instead of the actual emote slash emoji when sending messages in the Kick chat. Let's check on that. See the image for reference, and we'll give it an image to make it see. How is your project going? It's going good, bro. It's going good. as I said, I haven't been updating BUBBAS for a long time, and that's because we're chasing for bets per second, and it's so advanced. It's crazy how complicated it is. So I have another AI chat over here. Let me show you. Over here, I have another AI chat, and this one is okay. It's in Swedish, so you don't see, you don't get it what it says in here. But this is actually, it's running 24/7. My wife gets crazy because my computer is sounding like an airplane. It is very loud, you know, and it's just running 24/7. You can hear my computer in the whole house, so it's kind of crazy, you know. But so this one is working 24/7 to improve the architecture of BUBBAS, to make sure the project is upgrading, it's better, so we can handle more bets per second, so we can take more players, more users. So this is basically working. So now I restarted a new chat because the old one was it was packed with messages, so I had to restart. But so that one is running on the other screen over there, and so and it's basically, this is basically what we're doing right now. So here is a quick breakdown of what's going on. So we're moving towards a clean bet where only the essential, let me put it down so you can see. Okay, yeah, so we're moving toward a clean bet where only the essential money result work happens first, and everything else is happening afterwards. So, you know, when you place a bet in BUBBAS, it's not just a bet, it's doing 20 things simultaneously. The bet is sent, there is an auth process, the user balance has to be updated, the XP and wager has to be counted, the referral rewards needs to be counted, the mining rewards and the staking pool needs to update, the jackpot pool needs to be updated. We have another jackpot system for a lottery I've been building on BUBBAS. So there's just so many things that happens when you click the bet button one time, and every single time a user clicks a bet button inside of BUBBAS, the bet is just I mean, all of those things needs to be handled by workers. So I have workers in the background that handles all of the things that's happening when you place a bet, right? So if there is too many bets coming in and the system is not optimized enough to be able to handle all of the things that's going on, there is queues building up. And when the queue is full, it's like overloaded with things to handle, and everything just slows down, and then people won't be able to play. So that's the easy explanation of what I'm trying to solve with BUBBAS now. And when I started this work 2 months ago, 3 months almost, we wasn't able to, we were only able to handle like 30 bets per second for the entire BUBBAS platform. And now we have proven that we can handle 50 bets per second, so that's almost a double improvement. And I've also seen in other tests that I've been doing that we passed 75 bets per second, and we almost one time reached 90 bets per second. So we have almost tripled the capacity for BUBBAS in just 2-3 months. Well, it doesn't sound like a lot, but trust me, bro, it's so complicated, it's so advanced. I'm losing my hair because of this thing, you know. So, and that's why I have a hat, because if I take it off, I'm just joking, bro. You know, I have a lot of hair, But you get me. You get me, bro. It's frustrating. Nah, I'm not mining. I'm not mining on my PC, bro. I'm not. But I have AI chats running 24/7. And just check my hard drive, bro. Check my hard drive. You see, I have 10 gigabytes free of 930. So I think I need to get a new hard drive because it's about to be completely full, and I always have to remove things to keep the AI chats going, because every time I run a test on the BUBBAS platform using AI to find better ways to improve the app and improve the bets per second that I'm currently working on, it takes like 800 megabytes to 1 gigabyte every single time AI runs a test, because it's writing long reports and it's so many files that needs to be structured and created to be able to run all of these tests, and it's just eating up my disk space. So I gotta get a backup hard drive, because if it keeps on going like this, the lifetime of my hard drive is not gonna be long. It's not gonna be, my hard drive is not gonna last for long, bro. So yeah. But yeah, let's see what's going on here. Okay, try sending another emote now. It says, Codex says that it's not working. Safely decoded, sanitize, kick emotes, mark out. It's not working. Okay, let's see. You are lying to me, bro. It's still not working. Let's see what it says. You're right. I claimed success from a synthetic payload that didn't match your live one. These AI, you can't trust them. You can't absolutely never trust them, bro. They are messing with me all the time, day and night. When I'm sleeping, even when I'm sleeping, AI is messing with me. Yeah, bro. I need to see what emote you send. Yeah. Yeah, it's true, bro. Yeah. And also, if anyone from the BUBBAS chat is watching this right now, I'm sorry. I've been irritated the past days, the past weeks, the past months. But I don't blame you guys. You notice it because I am. And I don't blame I blame myself. But I don't excuse myself. I know how a developer feels when he's working 24/7 and still not reaching his goal. I can relate, and you can probably too if you're building things. But anyone can. I mean, if you have a goal and you don't reach your goal and you're trying and trying, eventually you're gonna explode at some point. But yeah, I've come far. BUBBAS is much safer and much more capable than it was 2 months ago. But I haven't updated it. The update is still on the staging server. So this is the new update, and this one I will update this one as soon as possible, because I wanna push the next update. This is the new update. I hope that I'm not gonna be messed up by YouTube for showing my platform. I'm not playing on it, so I hope I'm fine doing that. But yeah, here we got the new roadmap, and I can't show this. I can't show any bets on this live stream, but we have this new cool feature on the staging server where you can place like 100 bets per second. It's pretty cool. I call it flash bet. Yeah. And now it's looking like this. So it's the old version of BUBBAS. It doesn't have that feature yet. Oh yeah, definitely, bro. I mean, in my mind, every single day for the past 4 years, I've been visualizing BUBBAS as the greatest GameFi app in the whole crypto space. And I still have that vision and goal. But the most important part is to have the architecture right. Because we want to be able to handle a lot of simultaneous users. And if we can't do that, there is no point of pushing a lot of people onto the platform. So I figured instead, why not build BUBBAS in public with you guys, and let's make it great together. I mean, it's also a very nice thing if you socialize with people online. Who knows who you're gonna meet? I mean, I might meet someone, like I said earlier, I might meet a person that had the exact same problem with his platform back in the days, and he have already solved it, and now he sees me building BUBBAS in my live stream, and he says, oh, I already had this problem, you gotta do this and this and that. And then I do it, and boom, something I've been working on for 2-3 months is just solved in seconds, because now I'm out here building BUBBAS with people instead of just sitting in the darkness building this thing alone, you know. I basically been inside my house, and I started to feel really alone because I was only inside staring at screens for 10 to 12 hours a day. You know, I'm working out, I'm trying to get some sunshine from time to time, but I'm still here, you know, I'm just doing my thing. And now I moved to another apartment, an office. So my wife is at one place, or actually I didn't move yet, but I'm gonna move very shortly, because my wife is getting tired at the sounds in the computer. It sounds so loud. So I actually just found a place where I can start working from, and so I can have a little bit of social life, you know. I can go out and I can see some other people, and then I can go to my office and work, and then I go home. But of course, the computer is going to be in the office 24/7 doing prompts, working autonomously, and so I'm gonna have a way to control my computer from home with my laptop. So it's gonna work 24/7 anyways. But Yeah, it's gonna be separated. The work is gonna be more separated from life. But yeah, I see BUBBAS becoming the best GameFi platform in the entire crypto space. And actually, that's the whole thing. When I started building BUBBAS, this prompt is ready. You were right. My first test missed. Yo, if you're still here, Diogo, send an emote. Let's see if it's working now. Okay, it's not working. Okay, let me say my chat stream layout is still not working. I only see text/code in OBS chat layout. Before continuing before continuing making any changes, answer this question. Is it actually possible to show the emotes in OBS live layout? Let's see what it says. Yes, it's absolutely possible. Okay. The problem is in the current payload rendering pipeline. Marking is so good. Okay, so it is possible. All right, let's make it happen. But yeah, when I started building BUBBAS 4 years ago, it was Paco. Most of you guys know it was Paco back then. And then we rebranded to BUBBAS, and I actually paid a whole lot of money for some guys to help me build the thing. And when they delivered, it wasn't near complete. So I had to, actually it was December. We launched BUBBAS in December. And when we launched, nothing worked. 3 people couldn't even play the dice simultaneously, even doing 1 bet per second. So I actually reached out to a very close old friend in desperation, in complete desperation, to try to get BUBBAS to work or save the project, because I was on the verge of just failing big time. And he told me about Claude Code, and later on I found out about Codex, and I started using that to just save BUBBAS, and I got to know the code on a deeper level, and I learned how BUBBAS is actually working. Because, you know, when you're a founder, you pay other people to do the work, and I did never look into the code myself. I tried to understand the code, but I never really looked into it myself. So I didn't have an idea even how BUBBAS was actually built. And when I found out, I was so mad, because I had paid these guys so much money to build me a really good platform, and they basically just messed it all up. Nothing was working properly. So it took me like 3-4 months to actually get BUBBAS to work, and I saved the whole product. After 2-3 months, 4 months, we could actually take 25-30 bets per second, and when people started playing, it actually worked, even though there were too many players online, but it was just working slower. when there was high load. So I actually managed to save BUBBAS, and if I weren't taking full responsibility and ownership of the product a couple months ago, I wouldn't be here today doing this live stream. I would have been doing some other job. But I was so desperate to save BUBBAS, and I would have just kept on paying these guys money to build me an app that they weren't capable of building, because they didn't know they didn't know from an architectural standpoint where we needed to be able to deliver a full working product. So I took full ownership and I started working on the code myself using AI, and it saved the product. And now we're stable. We're stable. So we're not on the verge of destruction anymore. We're actually in a good place these days. It's just a little slow now, because if these guys would have been doing what they were supposed to do, which was delivering a product that could actually handle a couple hundred users, I would never have to do this. But if I didn't do this, if that never happened, I would never have learned how the app is actually working from the inside out. I would never learn that. So actually, I think there was a purpose and meaning that I actually failed, that they actually failed, so that I could take responsibility and ownership and learn how the code is structured, how the architecture is built, and how BUBBAS is operating, how the servers are working, how the app side is working, all of these things. I would never be as knowledgeable about my own product if it weren't for these guys failing. So I have a very split mindset. I have a very split emotionally, I'm very split. I can say that because I'm very happy that everything went the way it did, because it forced me to become better at what I'm doing. But I'm also very mad that I spent so much money and these guys didn't deliver. So I'm both happy and I'm both angry at the same time. But I'm looking at it from a positive perspective. I became more knowledgeable. I became smarter. I know more about the app, and I now, with all the knowledge I have, I understand how it works and I can actually fix things. But it's still not easy, but it's way easier than it was before. Because before I didn't even look into the code, and now I still don't know everything about BUBBAS because it's such a big project. But I know way more today than I knew a couple months ago. I didn't know anything. Christmas, when we launched BUBBAS, I was like, yeah, it's gonna be the best Christmas ever. We launched BUBBAS. And then 3 people came and played and it all crashed. And I was like, no, what are you doing? I was screaming at my developers. I was like, what the fuck are you doing, guys? It's not working. 3 people are playing and it's crashing. Fix it now. And I was screaming like crazy. I was so angry. And they started working and working, and then it was stable, but it was still like shit. I was so angry. Yeah, I was really angry. Hey! Emotes are working now, bro. Emotes. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Nice. Okay. Good job, robot. You fixed it. Confirmed. Nice. Yo, Andrew is back. Andrew is back. How you doing, bro? How you doing, bro? Behave. Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good. We fixed emotes now in the chat, in the live chat. Nice. Read my previous message, bro. I'm doing very good this period. What about you? Nice to hear, bro. I'm glad to hear that. Previous message here in the chat. Let me see. Or is it in Telegram? Okay, brother. Here in Kick. Okay, I will check it. Let me go to Kick. Oh, I've been talking so much. I just talk and I missed all the messages. Okay. Yo, bro, just jump in to say hello after a lot of time, bro. Anyway, if you remember, contact me on Telegram after live stream, bro. Otherwise, I will do it later. Yes, bro. Of course. We gotta reconnect, bro. Read my previous message. Okay, now I'm up to date. All right, bro. I will. Just send me a message on Telegram and let me know what's going on, bro. And I'll catch up after the live stream. I will start doing this every single day now. You know, like I said earlier, I've been sitting in silence in the darkness here 24/7, working, staring at code and screens and codecs and Claude code. My eyes have been going like this every single day, and I didn't feel good. So I had to come outside and talk to someone, you know, and show you guys what I'm doing. So you can see that the dev actually exists. He is real. He's a real person. He's not just a code. But yeah, it feels good to be back. I actually missed the live streams and I missed you guys. I missed talking to people. So it feels good. Yeah, it was so stressful, bro. You know, you imagine you're working so hard and you earn a lot of money, and then you put all of your money all in on something you believe in to build BUBBAS, and then when you launch, it was catastrophe. It was, yeah, it was a catastrophe. But now I'm back. BUBBAS is working. Got a lot of updates coming. And I figured I want to do this with the community. I want to build BUBBAS with you. I want to improve the app with you. I want to build new games and new features and upgrade architecture and make it stronger, better, faster. I want to make BUBBAS the best app in the whole world. And I'm committed to it. I will do it. No matter what it takes. It's not going to be easy. But now we're starting. We're here again. We're back. We're fucking back, bro. Yes, I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be back. I'm missing everything about your new projects, but I will be always with you in the background, bro. Bro, I appreciate that so much. And I know you guys are loyal. I mean, you see, I see the proof. I even haven't live streamed for a long time, and you guys, you're just coming back and just showing up. Man, I'm so happy. Without you guys, I will be here alone again. I mean, yeah. But okay, we have set up. I will actually remove this old link. Let's get to work. I have about 40 minutes, and maybe I'll start another quick live stream tonight, but every day. I will do this every day now. Friday will be game nights. I will try to do some battles, some BUBBAS. And we will do some we'll do some giveaways, some challenges, and I have this website stroem.pro, and here I put some money for builder fund. So I put a little bit of BNB for BUBBAS to fill it up, and I put a little bit of builder fund so we can have money for AI tools. I will zoom in. So we have some money for AI tools, and then we have a little giveaway money here. We have a little event pool here that we can do challenges and competitions in BUBBAS. So I'm planning a lot. I have a lot of plans for these live streams to come. And I will also, I'm also building actually a feature where you can get lottery tickets automatically for watching the live stream. That's a cool feature. I have just an idea. And then I will, and then you can log in with Kick to see your, actually, you can see your leaderboard. So let me try this. Allow access. And then I can see, I don't know if I can see my own leaderboard. Yeah, okay. I can actually see, I see, okay, I already see you guys. Consta has already logged in. Lonely Ginger Man, I don't know who that is. Mike M, that's a guy I'm working a little bit with, who's helping me out with some stuff, and me. I think I'm gonna remove myself from the leaderboard, but yeah, we have a leaderboard now, and this is the most important part. We'll use this to pay for tools like AI, and it's actually really expensive to build BUBBAS, but I cut the costs a little bit now, so the servers are cheaper. So this is gonna be lower and lower. Eventually I'll have to fill it up with some more BNBs if it's getting too low, but I think this here will be enough to build BUBBAS, to start kickstarting all of the building community, everything. I think it will be enough, and if it's not, we'll work something out. I have to go, bro. See you later on Telegram. Have a nice rest of live streaming day. Thank you so much, brother. Have a nice one. Thanks for stopping by, Andrew. Take care, brother. Yeah, Diogo, everything will be added to BUBBAS. We will have sports bets, we'll have slots, we'll have all kind of cool, different customized games, and I actually have a plan on building. I want to show you. Let's go to the staging server. Let's go to staging, and let's go to the roadmap. Here you can see what I have in mind on the roadmap. So BUBBAS, we're gonna have two tokens actually. BUBBAS is gonna be the main token always, and then we're gonna have mini BUBBAS, which is gonna be the community coin, which will launch maybe in September. We're just gonna get the live streams going first. We're just gonna make people know about the live streams and that we got started again, and we're here, we're building together, we're making BUBBAS the best platform ever, and all of that. And then down here you can see on the roadmap we have gameplay, new features. This is actually where I'm at now. So this is once again, I have another AI chat over here. Okay, it's working. Okay, it stopped. So I gotta we can actually continue this chat in English. Okay, you see so many files there is inside of BUBBAS. It's a very big project, but yeah, I'm getting familiar with it. Okay, the goal is now blocked after a third consecutive audit. Okay, this doesn't say me anything. Break this down in simple English so that I can take action from there. And we can actually start BUBBAS here as well. And we can change things here live. We can build things live inside of BUBBAS here. Okay, so now we get a normal explanation. The system is correct, but it's not proven to sustain 50 bets per second. What? We could do that earlier. It could be that I'm live streaming at the same time and it takes capacity from the computer, so it doesn't reach that. We can ask that. Could it be that we're live streaming and that blocks the computer from reaching the higher bets per second? Because if I'm not mistaken, we have actually reached above 50 before. If I go to another chat and ask the same thing, let's see, this chat is so packed, it's lagging. You see 19 hours, this one was working for 19 hours straight. And it's even restarted. It's gone on for days. It was like 3-4 days. So this actually is not even correct. What's the maximum BPS we've reached inside this chat session? Let's see what it says. Dang, it's loading. It's loading a lot. This chat session is demolished. Thinking. Okay. Okay, in this chat was 50 point full chain BPS. Okay, offered load 50 BPS. Accepted BPS was 50 bets per second in this chat, but I'm pretty sure we've reached higher than that. Anyways, this is what we're hunting for. This is why we haven't updated BUBBAS for such a long time, because this is such a big task that takes so much time. And this chat is just messing with me right now. Come on, close. There we go. Okay. Yes, live streaming is plausible host level bottleneck because Docker MongoDB Redis, the worker K6 and streaming software compete for CPU, memory, bandwidth, and disk, and sometimes GPU terminal headroom. Yeah, so that could be one of the reasons we're not reaching higher BPS. So I think I gotta buy a more RAM for the computer. I just have 32 gigabytes. It's not a whole lot these days. And about 1 year ago, I was supposed to buy more RAM for my computer. Back then, it was like 1,700 crowns for RAM. Now, the same 32 gigabytes of RAM is like 5,000, 6,000 Swedish crowns. It's like $500-$600. That's crazy. But yeah, okay, let's keep improving the stream. Let's keep improving the live stream. Okay, so what can we do? What can we do here? This is old, live from Sunday to Friday. This is actually we are gonna, and 16:30 we're not gonna stream at that time. It's just gonna be random every single day. We're gonna start streaming. Remove, yes. Everything is gonna be rebuilt. Okay, let me actually go to okay, so we have this one working here. And that's not so interesting to follow. So what else can we do? What else can we do? We can actually create some cool graphics for the live stream. I have some cool graphics in my mind. Okay, this works and this works. Okay, and this I gotta change the timer here because currently the website is not showing the live stream here, so we can fix that actually. We have a little bit of time, so let me go to GitHub, repositories, Stroem, I think it's this one, Stroem's Live. You see, even this project is quite big, even though it's a small website. And we can go ahead and do like that, and we put it here, download this repo. And let me go get my other computer. I'm just gonna make sure the other computer is not holding any files that we need to have in this latest update. If we update the stream page, we need to make sure all of the files are present, so there is no version drift. Let me see. It's gonna take 1 second here. There we go, and git status. Let's see if we have any unchanged files. Okay. Stroem live. Okay, it looks good. It all looks like we don't have any files sitting around. Okay, now we can start building in that project. Show. Let's go project. Okay, it's not here. Let's see. Files, project, create, and we're gonna add this file to codex. Stroem live, Stroem live, create project, Stroem live. Okay, it can be, let me, Stroem live, save. Okay, we are currently live on Kick, but let me zoom in on that. We're currently live on Kick, but the website stroem.pro does not show that we are live. Let's investigate and fix. And we can actually do a little bit smarter. Let's do smarter here and fast, so we do it fast. Because the site is not showing, but it should. Here it should show that we're live on the website. But everything else is working, seems like. Just this part here, it should say live, and it should show the live stream here. So if we have visitors on the website, they can still see it here directly. Let's see what it does. See if it can fix it for us. And yeah, I know it says building BUBBAS with Stroem, but now we're building Stroem live with Stroem. So we're actually just building the live stream now. But yeah, we want to make sure the live stream is nice. So we're gonna build it from the scratch. And if you guys have ideas, share it. And if it's cool, we can implement it. We're also gonna have weekly challenges. The best idea, get a giveaway, and we build the best idea on the live stream. And it can be both for the live stream and it can be for the BUBBAS. So if we have like a new game idea, a new feature for BUBBAS, we can build it. We do votes, we do voting, and then the best idea gets built on the live stream, and we can have giveaways for that as well. And yeah, we can just do anything. Okay, let's see if it's gonna fix this now. So I actually have automatic deployments for the streaming website. So if we do updates to the streaming website, it's automatically updated. So I don't have to go and deploy stuff. It's just BUBBAS. It's a little bit more complicated. So I have to log into the server and do some download the latest image and then deploy that to the main server when we're updating BUBBAS. So it's a little bit more complicated, a little bit more of a process. But yeah. Simply flipping the gate would not repair the active stream. The database has no session to resume, and the repository records the streamer bot was never production configured. Okay. I'm checking the official Kick server API now, so API Live can truthfully detect the current broadcast without exposing credentials or. Okay, all right, sounds reasonable. I actually have a lottery feature as well for the live stream. We can go and say, investigate the lottery feature and let me know how it's set up and if it's actually live and working. The users watching from both Kick watching from, let's just say Kick, from Kick should be obtaining lottery tickets automatically every 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes the live stream has been watched. Let's find out how, because I don't remember. Actually, it was a couple weeks ago I built this feature, so I just want to recap a little bit to know how it's working. I don't remember completely. Let's find out how it's structured and list and explain in a simple, skimmable way. And we can do medium and fast. First pass shows intended rule is indeed 600 validated seconds per ticket. Okay, so it's every 10 minutes. It's every 10 minutes. Yeah. Let me put this computer away. Okay, the lottery system is implemented, but it's not live in production. Users currently earn 0 tickets. Production currently reports ticket collection false. Presence tracking false. Jackpot enabled false. Live status enabled but currently offline. Okay. Check on 11th August how it's designed. User visits live, logs in with kick, accepts the rules, confirms 18 plus, and clicks join live session. Yo, Mind of Tron, bro, how you doing? A long time no seen, brother. It's all good. It's all good here. How you doing? Public live stream is active and fresh. Live up tab stay visible. The kick account has only 1 active present session. The 30 minutes activity confirmation has not expired. Okay. A validated second. Been better, but still alive, so that's a blessing. Yeah, but still alive, so that's... Oh, now it's working. AI fixed it. AI fixed it. The other chat fixed it. AI fixed it. Oh, wow. Now we're actually live on the website as well. Wow. Okay, it actually worked. It actually deployed and fixed everything. Nice. Minotron, bro. What happened? What happened, bro? Why have you been better? Are you sick or did anything happen? I mean, you don't have to say it out in the chat if you don't want to. But I'm just curious, bro. If you ask me, I'm feeling better. I was the other way around. I was worse before, and now I'm better. I had this stomach disease, ulcerative colitis, you know. So I was shitting blood. When I went to the toilet every single day, I was shitting blood, bro. But I managed to find a way to cure myself completely. So I'm off all the medicines and I'm just eating good food, and I got a lot of knowledge about my body and how it works and what I should do to stay healthy and stay fit and sharp in my mind, you know. But bro, yeah, please share if you feel like. If not, take it to the DMs, bro. I'm curious to know what's been going on with you. It was a long time ago since we talked. Health and financial struggles. Okay, yeah, that's usually the regular struggles we all have. Health and finance, yeah. But anyway, it's good to see you, bro. It's good to see you. Yeah. I mean, we all have our journeys. We all have our issues. And what doesn't kill us only makes us stronger, right? That's life, bro. And we can only get stronger and more knowledgeable. What we can never lose is the knowledge we have. We can never lose that. So we can only be upgraded. But yeah, I feel you, bro. Sometimes the body is downgraded, and then we gotta help it back up. Yo, Mike, brother, Mike. Finally, you showing up, bro. We've been here for how long have we been streaming for? We just fixed the live stream, 2 hours and 7 minutes now. But we have been fixing a lot of things. Now you can send emotes, and you can see the emotes in the chat inside here in the live stream. we have been building, we have been fixing the Kick live stream on the website. So now you can actually go to the website and you can see the Kick live here. Good to see you. Good to see you too. Gonna be a while before I'm back in crypto, but learning while I wait. Yeah, I feel you, bro. I mean, I took a quite big hit as well. I didn't lose so much on investing in crypto, but I lost a lot building BUBBAS. You know, I've been building this platform for 4 years now. And it's becoming better every single day. I told the story earlier. When I first started, I outsourced to a group of developers, and when they delivered the product, when we launched it, nothing was working. So I had basically wasted all of my money on something that they didn't properly deliver. But thankfully, I see that as a blessing because I had to learn about the project. I had to learn how to develop myself. So now I'm more knowledgeable about the product, and I managed to save the whole product. Because if I wasn't learning about my app, I wouldn't be here live streaming now, as I said earlier. I'm actually grateful and angry at the same time. Angry for spending a lot of money building something that I didn't get, and grateful for all of the mistakes these guys did so I could take full ownership and learn everything by myself. And that's how it is in life. I mean, you gotta be your own savior. If you don't save yourself, nobody's coming to save you. But of course, we can all help each other out. We can all take some guidance and some tips and tricks and to be pushed in the right direction, but eventually we are the only ones saving ourselves, bro. One of those F it, I'll do it myself life lesson. Yeah, bro, it was a lesson learned, bro. I'm never gonna outsource to a bunch of developers again because they just wanted money and they just want to deliver. They didn't know. They just tried to do just enough for it to look good. But then when I learned how everything was working, I actually started seeing what they had done. And when I saw it with my own eyes, looking at the code for the first time, trying to understand it, learning about stuff, I understood that I didn't get anything near what I had paid for. But yeah, like you say, bro, lesson learned, bridges burned, but I'm still here, building, becoming stronger, more knowledgeable, better every day. And most important of all, more responsibility and full ownership. That's probably the biggest win, that I am in full control now. I don't have to be dependent on other people to build BUBBAS for me. I'm fighting this myself. Yeah. Amen, bro. Amen, bro. Yeah, so like I said earlier, we're gonna start doing this every single day. We can actually tell. Let's go ahead and tell. Just so one thing I learned with using AI to build stuff, even though it works now, even though the website is showing the live stream, it's still not 100%. We still cannot be sure it's gonna work after a week, after tomorrow. So what I do, I always go ahead and ask I have a skill. You can put skills inside of Codex, for an example. So I have this post change audit skill, and this skill basically goes through everything that we just did in the code, and then if it finds any bugs or any problems with the code, it goes through them and it fixes them. So we can just go ahead and send this post audit skill, and now it's going to double check and make sure that the code is actually correct and everything is working the way it's supposed to. So we can be sure, and there is no problems popping up. Yeah, that's nice. It feels so good when you do small achievements. Like, we're sitting here in the stream just chilling, and then suddenly Codex just pop, and then now the live stream is working on the website as well. So that's kind of cool. I get so happy when things work. Actually, this zoom thing, you guys see when I'm zooming like this, so many times I've been trying to fix that without AI before I started coding with AI, and you see what I'm saying? Now it's finding bugs. You see, AI is finding bugs, even though it's working now with the live stream inside of the website. It still finds bugs, so we're just improving and making sure it's going to work for the long term. But yeah, so what I wanted to say is that what did I want to say? I forgot what I was saying. Dang, my memory is like a goldfish. What did I just say? Okay, I was talking about something. It's insane. I can't remember what I just said, guys. I can't remember what I was just about to say. Oh yeah, I think I remember now. What was it? What was it? I actually don't remember. It's crazy. What is going on inside of my mind? Right. AI still working out bug fixes. Yeah. I don't know if that's what I was going to say, but yeah, anyway. Right. Every single time I build a feature, a game, or anything I build using AI, it's 99.9% of the times there is bugs or issues with the code. So every single time I build something, I always make sure I do a post audit to make sure it's actually finding issues and problems. You see how many things it's actually finding here now. So we just fixed the live stream in the website, and now we're doing a post audit, and it finds so many issues right away. Just right away, it just finds all of the issues here. So you can never be sure that things are gonna work from start. Things might work, but there's 99.9% of the times there's always bugs showing up in the code. So it's a good thing. Something I learned. Always do a post audit, and sometimes you do many post audits after each other, and it keeps on finding bugs that it fixes. I'm publishing these audit fixes now, so production does not retain. So we can actually ask it what actually it found. Dang, we've been streaming for 2.5 hours. Time goes by so quickly. Okay, nice. Post change audit complete and published in commit. So now this is gonna be updated. And you see now it's not working for some reason. So the update actually messed us up, or maybe, okay, I'm getting delivery here. Hello? Hello? Ja, perfekt, jag kommer. Tack. Ja, jag kommer. Tackar. Oh, now my wife is calling me. Oh. 1 second. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. What is going on here? What is going on? So the live stream actually stopped working because we fixed bugs, and now the bugs, they weren't bugs. You can't trust AI. Dang. Okay, now it stopped working for some reason. It just worked after we first update. The live stream worked after our first update. After this post audit, I now no longer see the live stream on the website. Let's post audit what we have changed that could potentially have caused this problem. Because it should work. It should just work. So it probably fixed a lot of things and made some things better, but it messed up. But those fixes messed up something else that caused the live stream to stop showing and working inside of the website. So let's see. You're right to flag the audit is likely regression. I'm using the post change audit workflow again, comparing against the working first fix and checking kick versus the production API before changing anything. Because this is a visible production regression, I'm also using the browser control skill to verify the actual rendered kick. And stroem.pro states, not just infer from code. Aha, it was a simple thing. Regression is confirmed and narrower than the UI. Kick visible reports live. Wow. Okay, so it's just falling back. null timestamps. So it's pretty just a timestamp thing. Kick reported the channel offline, but we're online. I'm isolating which audit hardening change causes the failure. Okay. Okay, so it's probably gonna work again. Okay, so let's go back to the jackpot feature. Why it's not working live? The deployed configuration explicitly has presence ticket enabled. False. 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 Okay, I haven't set up streamer bot, it seems like. Okay, let's find a simple, safe, and let's find the shortest and safest path to tracking kick viewers. That's good. That is good. Let's see how it goes over here. And that's my typical luck. I tell you guys about something that you gotta do to make sure the code is clean and correct, and then it stops working. It rarely happens, but yeah, now it happened. Production has switched to the fix. The API now reports live, true, kick live, 2 viewers, and fresh timestamp. I'm doing the final rendered page check now to confirm. Confirmed. Okay. So there we go. It's working again. So now we can say do a post audit without changing any code, and let me know what's better in this new version since our last code changes, since our first code changes. Oh, that now I remember what I was going to say earlier. You guys see this zoom effect that I have? I was working so long to try to fix that, and that was before I started using AI to code, and it started working, and then it stopped working, and then it worked, and then it stopped working. And I just like, oh, fuck it. I gave up. So I didn't touch that feature for a long time because it messed up my OBS, my stream setup. And now I figured, okay, I can just ask Codex to fix that for me, and it fixed it. So now the zoom effect is working. So it's kind of cool. And I actually had Codex build my whole stream setup that you see now. So the chat emotes didn't work before, but we fixed it in this live stream. Mike, are you still there, bro? Are you still here, Mikey boy? If you are, I have a list of things that we can update because now, since we are actually live, things are working, we're building, we're gonna update the website builder log every single live stream. After every live stream, we'll update the builder log. I didn't do that this live stream, but I'll start listing all of the things we have built, so that you guys can follow what's being shipped in the builder log. And that's applying to BUBBAS as well. So when we build new features and games and stuff for BUBBAS, and we actually ship it and deploy it, we're gonna update it in the build log on this the Stroem website. And yeah, it's actually very nice that the live stream is now working on the website as well. That's very nice. And this lottery ticket system, I'll work on that so we can activate that for the live stream. Yo, cheers from Rasta, bro. What's up, man? How you doing? Manatron, bro, you still here? I am still here. Yeah, I'm feeling like I'm building like I just don't care. But I do. Hope you feel it too. Alright, so we have been building this. We have been building today. We have fixed emotes in the live chat. We have fixed what else have we been building? Now we're working on the lottery. Okay, let's read this. So we're gonna make sure we have a lottery system. So every single 10 minutes you get lottery tickets, and then every Sunday we pick a winner. And my idea is to have a lottery pool. So this is the total treasury on chain funds that we have currently. We have a builder fund here. We have the BUBBAS ecosystem fund here, giveaway pool, and event pool for events, basically. And we're gonna have a lottery pool as well. So, and actually it's kind of cool. This one is kind of cool. So I want to show you what we actually are building here is, let me show you. So this is how I'm planning, like BUBBAS distributable net profit. So 60%, so like this, BUBBAS profit and live stream revenue follow separate, transparent allocations. Jackpot funding remains manual and on chain. So this is how we're gonna distribute all the funds that BUBBAS are earning. So when BUBBAS is making money, 60% goes to BUBBAS Vault. 25% is going to Builder Fund, which is this fund here, and this is the vault. And giveaway pool, 10%. So when people come and play on BUBBAS and staking pool grows and people mine tokens, and then maybe in the end of the month we will have a little bit of profit for BUBBAS. Then I will take that profit and I will make sure these pools here are growing. And when the live stream is growing, more people are gonna notice the live stream. We're gonna have challenges where you can put your ideas, and the best idea, we'll build it in the live stream every Sunday, and there will be voting, etc. So that's the BUBBAS part. And then we have the net live stream subscription and tips. Because when the live stream is growing, the idea is to have the live stream also funding the build. So 50% of all subscriptions and tips will go into the build fund. 15% will go into the giveaway pool, 15% to the event pool, and 20% to the live stream jackpot. So basically 50% goes towards building AI tools, like stuff that builds the live stream and BUBBAS, right? Like the server costs. We have a node provider on Binance Smart Chain that we pay for every single month, so that costs money. We have a JWT key, like for the NFTs, for the BUBBA NFTs. So there's a lot of costs to run the business, but we will, as the live stream grows and more people find out that we're actually building this thing live and we're fully transparent and nothing is hidden, like people are gonna notice that shit, this is the real deal, and this is fully transparent, and everyone can check it on the blockchain. Everyone can go on the website here, they can actually click here on the builder wallet and they can see. And so whenever I take money from this is when I pay for like AI tools, when I pay for a server cost, etc, etc. If this fund is getting low, of course I'm gonna fill it up with a little bit of my own money because I want to keep the project going. But I think this will be enough for us. There is $6,000. This is all. This includes the investor funds as well. So BUBBAS is very small project right now, and this is the build fund. I think it will be enough, because if we do this every single day, eventually the community is going to grow. BUBBAS is going to get stronger. We're going to have knowledgeable people joining in and finding us and sharing their knowledge so that they can help us build BUBBAS and make it the best platform ever. So that's the whole purpose behind this live stream that we're building now. And I think it's gonna be fun. I think it's gonna be really fun. Yeah, bro. Cooking. We're cooking. We are actually cooking now. What users must do? Okay, let's keep on building. I could build for days, night and day. But yeah, I gotta eat something soon. Anyways, we're gonna do these live streams every single day, so it doesn't matter if we end it now. But I'll keep it going for a little bit. I'll just send another prompt here, and I put some chicken in the oven, and then I will probably end it and keep on going tomorrow or the next day. Or nah, I'm gonna keep it going tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna live stream again. But yeah, maybe tonight if there's time. But yeah, let's see what we have here. Recommended path. Do not try to identify everyone watching directly on Kick. Okay. Kick's official API provides aggregate live stream status viewer accounts, but no viewer rows, rooster, or per user. Okay, I understand. fastest safe launch. Almost everything already exists. Okay. Fix the 7 failing streamer bot live integration tests. Use the existing signed. Okay, we can start with go ahead and set up streamer bot live integration properly in order for this to work. That's the first step. Keep the current kick auth visible live heartbeat individual viewers. Okay, activate streamer bot. Iterate and keep testing locally until it actually works. Then set all parameters to true, and launch so that users can start collecting lottery tickets by watching the live stream. We also need to build the lottery pool, but okay, we can take that in next step. Wait, we'll say also build the lottery prize pool. Okay, let's just take it easy here. Go ahead and set up StreamerBot live integration properly in order for this to work. Iterate and keep testing locally until it actually works. This part can go away. Then let's investigate on how we actually, I think the lottery pool, because there will be a pool, and the concept is that the lottery live stream jackpot will grow when there is tips, and this will come later when we grow. We're just getting started, but when we start growing and people start subbing and tipping, we'll create systems around that, and eventually we'll build out the lottery prize pool by then. But for an example, if there's $100 total revenue from the subscriptions and tips, then we can, for an example, we can distribute that manually to the live stream jackpot. I'm just brainstorming, guys, but I think we will do it manually because it's gonna be hard to integrate that from Kick, and it's gonna be hard. Like, I will have to buy crypto, exchange it manually, and then put it inside the lottery pool, and we can do that like every week after each lottery draw, or every month, but I think every week will be fine. Okay, let's build this feature first, and you guys can actually start collecting tickets, and we can test it out to see if it works. So we send the prompt. Let's do extra high. Okay, so I got a package here. Let's see what it is. I think it's my bag. Oh yeah, it's my bag. Smells new. Feels a little small. And where is the shoulder I didn't get a shoulder. Ah, maybe it's inside of the bag. Yeah, it's inside of the bag. Right. Simple computer bag. Just so I can travel with my computer, with my other computer. Yeah, it seems nice. Let's see if it fits in there. Okay, so before implementation, please approve these acceptance criteria. Reply approved and implement continuously through verification. Iterate and keep testing locally. Yes. Set up streamer bot live. Yes. Okay. Approved. Let's build. Let's build. Let me see if this fits in there. I mean, yeah, it fits. It fits. It's a nice computer bag. It's a little small, but I guess it works. I'm just gonna have it for traveling. I guess it works. It's a nice one. Simple computer bag. Cheap, $20 on Amazon. Nice. There you go. All right, guys. For tomorrow's live stream, I will make a plan and I will build. I will keep building tomorrow. I will probably upload some clips to YouTube as well from this live stream to start pushing content so the channel starts growing. And it's a good way. It's a good way to grow the community, to grow BUBBAS, to grow the live streams, to make a lot of clips and just post the highlights of the live stream, because we had a few funny moments in the live stream, and eventually the structure will be developed by as we grow, as we keep going. But yeah, updates on this, on progress on this tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll probably work on the graphics on BUBBAS a little bit, make some funny characters to get the graphics on point, because we gotta refresh a little bit, I think. And the hunting bets per second is still going on here. We're still gonna keep it moving. So I'm probably gonna kickstart this prompt here and let it run. And yeah, we'll take it from there. So thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. I appreciate it. I didn't expect so many people to join, actually. I had a great time. And I really didn't have a plan when I started this live stream, but it turned out pretty well. Turned out pretty good. So, okay, tomorrow we'll be back at it. And I wish you guys an amazing evening. Talk to you soon. One love. Peace. Bye.